Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Caris. They're looking for a customer service advocate. It pays up to $17 per hour. Caris's mission statement is to make training in allied healthcare professions accessible, efficient, and effective. Caris provides an online training platform to help people improve their lives and advance their careers through exceptional online healthcare learning. Caris provides online healthcare training for people who are training for their first jobs in the field, working to improve in their current role, or need additional training to advance their careers. Caris programs are user-friendly, online, and asynchronous, so learners can quickly gain the knowledge they need to start improving people's lives. Haven't heard of us yet? If you will, check us out at carislearn.com. Have a direct impact. The Career Services Advocate is responsible for guiding the learner through the training program and documentation processes until the learner is fully eligible for externship placement and job placement. A day in the life. Learner coaching 50%. Build meaningful and trusting relationships with our diverse trainee population by delivering personalized, constructive, engaging, and motivating one-to-one communication. Manage Sumo calendar appointments and host onboarding discussions with learners. Lead and coach learners in developing a plan to achieve their academic and career goals. Educate learners on the academic policies and procedures, including externship and job placement. Communicate with learners using active listening to discover and resolve underlying concerns and obstacles. Complete all post-enrollment communications with learners in a prompt and efficient manner. Assist placement specialists with all job-related tasks with regards to externship placement and job placement opportunities. Troubleshooting 30%. Effectively communicate technical information to non-technical learners. Respond to or initiate technical troubleshooting sessions with learners via phone, email, and chat sessions. Data analytics 10%. Collect and analyze learner feedback to help improve the learner experience. Record accurate and organized learner data within the account management system. Ad hoc duties 10%. Contribute as an individual and a team member to work towards our mission and core values. Review and edit resumes with learners, subject to change. To be successful in this role, you will need the following education, competencies, and skills. Education, bachelor's degree or equivalent professional experience. Experience in a healthcare ecosystem and knowledge of supporting a learning management system are preferred. Possess a background in allied healthcare job and externship placement programs and database knowledge similar to Caris operational platforms are preferred. Competencies, action-oriented, taking on new opportunities and tough challenges with a sense of urgency. High energy and enthusiasm, communicates effectively, developing and delivering multimodal communications that conveys a clear understanding of the unique needs of different audiences. Learner focus, building strong learner relationships and delivering customer-centric solutions drives success with learner retention. Support and placement and externship opportunities drives results, consistently achieving results even under tough circumstances. Key performance indicators must be met to drive success. Skills, previous LMS experience, proficient computer skills, ability to work and function in a fast-paced environment, demonstrated ability to manage a learner pipeline, demonstrated ability to meet deadlines and handle and prioritize simultaneous requests, clear and concise communication with both internal and external customers, learners on the B2C and B2B level. Benefits, insurance, vision, medical, dental, 401 plan with company match, company paid life insurance, employee assistance program, self-managed PTO, work from home options. For more information about our company and what we do, check out our website at www.corruslearn.com. Job type, full-time, pay up to $17 per hour. Benefits, 401. Dental insurance, employee assistance program, health insurance, health savings account, life insurance, paid time off, parental leave, vision insurance, schedule Monday to Friday. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.